Most hotels today take security deposits. This money is refunded to your credit card after you stay, and this can take a while since banks are awful when it comes to refunding payments. This can take up to 30 business days in some banks, so consider this first. Also, some hotels just use the deposit to cover part of the payment for your stay, so check how much you paid eventually and if they actually have to refund something to you. But if you're sure the money isn't going to come back even though it should, there are several things you should do. First of all, it would be good to visit the hotel's website and find their information on security deposits. Make sure you didn't do anything that could potentially result in your security deposit being used to cover extra costs, like drinking alcohol from the minibar or using paid services like massage or laundry services, etc. Then, if you are sure you must have been refunded, call a hotel directly or write an email or a message on social networks, describe the situation and give the details like your name and dates of your stay. The thing is, a lot of hotels have a complete mess in their accountancy papers and they can just lose the information about you and not approve the refund on time. Sometimes this step will help you get your money back. In your message, ask the hotel staff to check the status of your security deposit and confirm that it's going to be paid back. If this doesn't help, document any answer that you get from a hotel and contact your bank. This is not the fastest way of doing things because banks will take up to 60 business days to review disputes about payments, but this may be the easiest way to get the money back. Copy all the receipts or make screenshots of payments and wait till your bank reviews the application. Meanwhile, you may also use two other significant sources to pressure the hotel to give the deposit back to you. First of all, the easier thing is to write an honest review on websites like TripAdvisor, Google Maps, or also websites that you used for booking like Expedia or Booking.com. When you write a confirmed one-star review at Booking.com, the hotel management will see this and may contact you quite soon to have the problem solved and review edited as soon as possible. And sometimes this is the better way to get your money back than anything else. And finally, you can and should find the Consumer Protection Agency in your country and file a complaint with all the details. This is an extremely long way of doing things, but it will work as an additional factor for the hotel management to do something.